Now, click on the surface, sketch, center line, find the midpoint, escape, polygon, click here and here, escape, smart dimension. As we can see here, this triangle has a dimension of 3 millimeters. Type 3, enter, escape, select this line and this line here, make them collinear. Okay. Features, Extruded Cut, from line to up to surface, select the surface and select OK. We have exactly the same thing here. Select Edit Component to exit the component, or from here as well. And select Save to save. Save all. External. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. The next tutorial, we're going to have a look of how to design the handle. Thanks for watching. See you next time.